it's Paul from Assista AI. Let's be honest, AI has been hijacked by engineers. Everyone is building tools that only technical teams can use. But what about the rest of us? The marketers, the ops people, the client success teams. We are stuck copying tasks between apps, writing the emails every day, chasing updates across multiple tabs, and having no idea how to set up automations. So that's why we built Assista, an AI agent that works like your right hand, handling tasks, pulling info, sending updates, and keeping your system in sync without code, without friction, without the mess. Think of AI agents and automations for non-technical people. So let me show you how it works. So this is the dashboard of our assistant. As you can see below, we already have some apps connected. Let me show you your first action. For example, here I'm using the Google Calendar integration to retrieve my events from yesterday. And say no more, I will get everything and I can see all events I had yesterday retrieved from Google Calendar. Another cool thing that our agent can do is to search the web. So here I'm going to show you an example where I'm searching for the latest AI news and send an email to my colleague Florine. As you can see, the email was sent to Florine through my mailbox. Another feature that you will find very useful is the automations toggle button. So in the same chat, you can toggle the button and switch to automation. And using the same example from before, we can search the web for latest news about AI and actually post them on your social media platform. You can set up to run it weekly, daily, hourly, depends on you. You can specify the hour. And in your automation dashboard, you can toggle it as active and will start running every day. These are some of our integrations. As you can see, we have the Google Workspace suite, LinkedIn, X, Notion, HubSpot, Reddit, Zoho. You can integrate your MailChimp or your Shopify. So we kind of have covered some of them. And also you can import some blueprints of automations and workflow examples from our automation templates. Some of those are made by us. And of course, we encourage you to make your own. Thank you. And I hope you will enjoy our platform.